Hey guys, guess what? Beautiful day, nice and sunny. Today we are out doing deliveries. Today I have to walk with the muscles. I have to walk with the big guns. You see this? I'm prepared. We have big, heavy boxes carried. You are the one that sent it. We like it. We're gonna load. Don't go like you're strong, you know. Alright.
So there are two canvas.
Exactly. They're easy fit. Just let them have some weight. Just let them have some weight. No, see the problem? Alright, go on. If you not go all the way up further.
The back.
Yeah, right here. So, the problem. So, all we have to do, carry up this some more, and then push that one to meet it. I learned the work. So as we had said many times before, guys, no delivery too small, no delivery too big. This is huge. We love it. We have the guns, as I tell you. We know how to get this done for you. All right, I'm going around this. I'm going around this side. Yeah. So there you have it. Anywhere at all you are in the world. Anywhere you are in the world. Once you set up a shipping account with us, you are given a personalized mailbox and a address for you to send your packages to. We deliver them right to the doorstep of your loved ones in Jamaica. You'll see the rest of it.